Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing well this evening. It is 5 o'clock here, and I would be remiss if today I didn't teach you all how to be clean and make sure that you're disinfecting and don't get this virus of COVID-19, both on the outside and on the inside. So come with me. I'm going to teach you how to make a Quarantini today. So first, we're going to start out with a champagne glass because it's a celebration. And then we're going to start with Purell. Now this has aloe in it to make sure that we stay moisturized outside and inside. So we're gonna do 3 squirts, just like that. Then we're going to take the dregs from our disinfecting wipes. You know, there's those wonderful little bits at the bottom that, you know, they usually don't get used up. So we wanna make sure that we waste not, want not, and we make sure to take every little bit of disinfectant we can. So we're gonna just pour that right in there. Yeah, right in there, just like that. Then, to make sure that the entire vessel is clean, we're gonna take our Lysol spray. Yes, fog it nicely. And then, right at the end, we're going to just spritz a little bit of this wonderful Trader Joe's grapefruit and lemon hand sanitizer on top. You know, oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it smells wonderful. Sometimes I just take it right out of the bottle. Please don't put any of these things in your body. It says on the label, 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 not to be ingested. But you know what I am going to do for you all today? I am going to take this and I'm going to put it back into my wipe so I can make sure to soak up all of that good disinfectant. But I will teach you all how to make a corpse reviver today. And this, man, how does she do it with this scarf? It's like always moving around. It does look cute though. It's not Hermes, but it'll do. It was my grandmother's. And I love anything equestrian themed, you know. Like I said, today is not going to be just any corpse reviver. It won't be the OG. It won't be the Savoy. It won't be the number 2. The number 5, the number 9. No, my friends. This is Corpse Reviver 45. So it is a spin on the number 2, but I take it up a notch, do a couple more liqueurs in there, and then I'll finish it off with something special for all y'all. So here is where we start. We're gonna start the same way that our Corpse Reviver number 2 starts, and that's with our good friend gin. Now, we are going to start with 1 ounce of gin. Again, I'm using Tanqueray. Beautiful. Then, I feel like so more polished with this scarf, you know? I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll start to do this. Deborah Burks, style queen, influencer. I'm not gonna lie, I think they're, you know, at least they're no politics. But stay healthy and please don't drink any of these things. None of these should go inside your body. This should. So then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. And I'm going to be utilizing Cointreau today. 3/4 of an ounce. Now the original Corpse Reviver has, well, the number 2, the most popular type of Corpse Reviver, has equal parts of Lillet Blanc, gin, lemon, and then the Cointreau in it. But like I said, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. So the term Corpse Reviver, it's there because it's supposed to raise the dead, AKA you on Sunday morning after too long of a Saturday fun day, brunch followed by after brunch, followed by more after brunch, followed by nap, followed by out, and followed by more out. So this is supposed to raise the dead, but as someone once said, 4 is enough to unrevive the corpse. So just make sure that you drink responsibly. So then we're gonna move over to our Lillet. So Lillet is it's gonna add sweetness to it. So we don't want too much of it, which is why I pulled back to the 3/4 ounces. So 3/4 of an ounce then of our Lillet Blanc. And then we are going to add a little bit of ginger because I thought, what is healing? What helps our immune system? ginger. Again, I'm not a doctor. Pretty sure the ginger liqueur does nothing for your health except make you happier. So just make sure that you remember that. Now we're gonna do half an ounce of this. Do 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 la da 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 da. Shh. All right, next we're going to use Suze. And the reason I wanted to use this is because it adds that little bit of a bitter note, but then it also adds this super rad, bright yellow, like, you know, almost garish gold color to it. Also like toxic waste, just like, which is what this is. This is toxic waste. It's just clear. Also, please don't use Everclear to make hand sanitizer. It's a terrible idea because it will strip all of the oils out of your skin too. And it's really bad for your skin. So just make sure, the best thing to do is, if you can't find it at stores, tons of local distilleries are making it. I know Columbia Room is selling the Catoctin Creek one. We have some from Don Ciccio and Figley. Republic Restoratives. I was about to say Restoration Hardware. No, Republic Restoratives. They have, I bet Deborah Burks shops at Restoration Hardware. I feel like her aesthetic. She has a old and new, but polished. I bet she does. Anyways, 1/3 of an ounce of Suze. But yeah, Republic Restoratives has it. Tons of places have hand sanitizer. So please leave the distilling of alcohol up to the professionals because they're doing it the way that the WHO, because there's 2 ways that the WHO puts out there and they actually follow those ingredients. And it doesn't just have alcohol in it. It also has hydrogen peroxide. It has some other things in it. And it to make sure that it doesn't just like destroy your skin. Because if you want to try Everclear, light it on fire, it's gonna go up real quick. Please don't do that unless you're outside and you're very well, you've got a fire extinguisher nearby. It's a lot. 1/3 of an ounce of Suze. Suze me. And then 1 ounce of lemon juice. I have so many bottles in front of me, it's exceptional. And again, this is fresh squeezed lemon juice. Always use fresh squeeze. Now, lemon juice is vitamin C and that will do good for your immune system. You don't need to be a doctor to know that. So then we are going to pop in ice in here and we're gonna give it a little bit of a shake. Like I've got a tail right here. Now, nice and cold. Nope. There we go. So, then we're going to strain this out into a coupe. See, so it's like real yellow. If you use more of the Suze, it comes even more of that crazy yellow color, but then it's far too bitter. But if you like it really bitter, get it. Now, we're gonna garnish this with a cherry. I have Luxardo cherry, but if you would like to use one of those like radiation maraschino cherries just for the pop of color, you're more than welcome to. Now, to make this even more extra, I thought I would give a little bit of a nod to my hand sanitizer and do just a little bit of absinthe on the top, and then to make it truly unnecessary and extravagant, glitter. You know, edible glitter is probably top, like, not like 5 or 10 favorite things, but like probably like top 500 favorite things because it's so unnecessary, but like, who doesn't want to eat glitter? I just love it. And it looks so neat on top. And then it also starts to just funnel down to the bottom. You can see how it just sparkles in the light. And you can see on top as I spill it on the counter. Ah, I feel truly revived. Take care, everyone. And remember, no. Don't do it.